Question 49. In the standard xy coordinate plane, triangle ABC is isosceles with AB congruent to AC. So we know that if we have two sides that are congruent, A is going to be up top. It'll be the one right between them. Vertex B has coordinates -3, 0, and vertex C has coordinates 0, 0. So we'll make this C, and we'll make this B. What is the x-coordinate of vertex A? Well, because it's an isosceles triangle, if we drop this down, this will be halfway between B and C. And if this is at 0, 0, and this is -3, 0, then this will have to be at -3 halves 0. So we'll go with B, -3 halves for the x-coordinate of vertex A. If you weren't aware of this rule that any vertex of an isosceles triangle will be halfway between the other two vertices, then you could plot them out. So if you had an x-coordinate of -3, it would be right over B somewhere, right? We don't know the y value, but it'll be somewhere here. And we can see that it'll be much closer to B than it will be to C. So that can't be isosceles. Same thing if we did it for 0, it would be over here. And then anything positive would make even less sense. +3 halves or +3. These are all going to be way closer to C than they will be to B. So again, it can't be isosceles. So it's helpful if you know the rule, but it's totally fine if you don't. With a couple extra seconds of plotting points, you can figure out right away that the only way you can have an isosceles triangle is if the x value of A is at -3 halves.